Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Hannah and I am back at Belmont University today. It is my second day of classes for my second semester of college, and I thought I would do a little day in the life just because this is going to be a good day where I'm just like getting my life back together. I did a little bit of that yesterday. I had class this morning at 8 a.m. I got up at 6:40. I was going to vlog and I totally forgot, so I may vlog tomorrow morning just so you guys get a cute little morning montage. It's now 9:15. I'm back from my first class. Skylar's in class right now. I made myself a smoothie for breakfast. Before my 8 a.m.s, I just like to drink coffee, and then I'm usually hungry right after, so then I'll come back to the room or go get breakfast. It's kind of what I'm feeling for myself. But yeah, in my smoothie, I put half a banana, some frozen tropical fruit, which had like papaya and mango and coconut, some vanilla protein powder, almond milk, and some mushroom powder, which sounds very weird. I'm trying to add it into my smoothies because I paid for it like a year ago, so yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. I may add a little bit of honey for sweetness, but it's not bad. Oh, there goes up my air conditioning. I have like 5 hours till my next class at 2 p.m. so I'm going to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'll do the homework I have due for tomorrow, and yeah, later tonight I'm going to a workout class. I'm going grocery shopping, so it's just gonna be like a productive get everything ready for the semester, because like tomorrow real classes start. It's not syllabus day after today. Welcome back to the dorm if you haven't seen it yet. So guys, I'm a little out of breath and had to put my hair up because I got really hot, but I just got back. I went to the coffee shop, got some work done for like 45 minutes, which is nice. Then I finally got the message that my package came in. I thought I would do a little unboxing. I have a PR package and then an Amazon order, which I think you guys are really gonna like. First, we're gonna start with the thing that I don't know what it is, but it came in this really fun packaging. It actually was delivered in December, but I wasn't here. So, oh, we have a little package that says good things come in small packages. Oh, it's from Bliss. So it's a That's Incredi-Peel Spa Treatment. A powerful overnight facial. This spa quality peel gradually releases glycolic acid to target fine lines, discoloration, and imperfections without irritation. Yeah, so you put it on before you go to bed. You don't rinse it off. Oh, it's like a bunch of little packets. Okay, that's really cool. Thank you, Bliss. I'm definitely gonna try this out tonight. I'm excited. I love I love, love, love skincare. Wow, this is so much bigger than I was expecting. Holy cow. So a business coach I followed on Instagram, she wasn't my business coach, but I just followed her, called the Voyage Society. That's her Instagram name. She created a business planner, like a planner, an agenda for hustling and flowing. So it's January 2019 to December 2019. Hustle and Flow Planner. I am so excited for this. I did not know it was this big. Holy cow. Okay. Her name is Karina Ramos. This is her. She's super cute. So this is cool. It has a monthly view and then like monthly goals. And then what I really got it for was like the daily spread. Oh, here's blog post planner, business expense tracker. But I'm just going to keep it on my desk. I probably won't take it with me very often, but keep it on my desk to help me figure out my day. So yeah, I'm very excited. I'm gonna play around with this, freshen up, and get ready for my last class of the day. So I planned out my day, the rest of my day, in my new planner I'm really excited for. And then I did this list in this book. It's the 52 list project. You guys have probably seen this book or similar books that the author has done. So basically every week for the year you have a list. Today's was list your favorite characters from books, movies, etc. So I started that and I'm really excited. I'm gonna try to do it on Sundays, but I was behind this week. Okay, that's a mess. I wanted to show you guys my drawers because I'm really proud of organizing these three this Sunday when I came back. So this first one isn't the best, but it's my makeup, and I'm just, yeah, back here it's a little crazy, but you know, we basically have a plan. We have lip, blushes, palettes, and then like highlighters, concealers, and then eyes. So, oh, and then jewelry. So I love these containers you can get at like HomeGoods, TJ Maxx, Amazon. I love this drawer, guys. These next two are all full of books. So these are this is my fun books besides the movie The Intern, like one of my favorites. That's in there. But basically these are all my Girl Boss books that I don't have out. I have so many like coffee table Girl Boss books, and I know you guys want a video about them, so I'm gonna do that. But I put them sideways, and I just think it's so nice because I can sit here at my desk and then just like pull out this drawer and have all my journals and books, devotions I've completed or want to do next. And then down here is my school books. So these are all of my new books for the semester, along with notebooks and folders. So yeah, if you guys need some inspiration for how to organize your drawers in your dorm, this was actually Skylar's idea to put since this drawer is really deep, to put books in here. So yeah, those are my three drawers. Also guys, what I like to do is I like to put on my diffuser before I go to class so that when I come back from class it smells good and it's just a good vibe when you come back. I think I have, this is left over from yesterday, I think I have Lemon and Thieves or Lemon and Tangerine in there now. Oh, and my letterboard has a friend's quote without punctuation because I don't have punctuation letters, but yes, off to class. Update time, guys. So I just went to yoga actually at this amazing yoga studio here in Nashville. If you live here and you want to try a new type of workout class, it's called Inner Light Yoga. It's the flows of yoga, but they blast music. It feels like you're at a concert. They have theme nights, like sometimes they'll just blast Drake for the whole class. Today was like 90s female rock artists, and it is just the most fun yoga I've ever been to. It's like my new favorite thing. But now I am at Kroger and I need to do some grocery shopping. I don't love this Kroger, and you know when you just have a grocery store, it's just messy and gross and you don't like to shop there, like that's this Kroger, but it's the closest one to campus. And Trader Joe's and Target will be too far to get to at rush hour in Nashville, so I decided, suck it up Hannah, you'll be in there for like 10 minutes. Go get everything you need to eat for the week and for classes. In the elevator at Kroger. What a weird concept. I thought I would do a little grocery haul for you guys. In case you're wondering, I ended up spending $60, which just reminds me why I like Trader Joe's so much, because I feel like it's just so much cheaper. I don't know how. I don't know. Okay, starting out with non-food things, we desperately needed something to dust with, so I got a Swiffer duster. just the smallest one they had. For 2 of my classes, I needed 2 more notebooks, so these are the nicest ones they had. So not very many options at Kroger for stationery, but it'll work. And then since I hand wash all my dishes and it chips my nails, especially since I'm doing them myself now, chips them so quickly, I wanted to get some reusable gloves to put on while I scrub and clean the bathroom, that kind of stuff. So I got some berries, and then I got, this is Skylar's favorite kind of K-cup, so I got donut shop K-cups, another almond milk, a bunch of Chobani yogurts, actually only 5. We got cherry, coconut, and then one of the easiest and cheapest meals to make in my dorm room is rice and beans and veggies. So I didn't get any, I was gonna get frozen veggies, but I didn't. But I got this brown rice and quinoa garlic, the Kroger brand 90-second rice with garden vegetables, and then which one is this? Oh, this is the Organic Truth basmati rice. And I love these because you just put it in the microwave for 90 seconds, and usually there's like 2 or 3 servings in here for me. So super cheap, great to make in a dorm. Then I got us a creamer. I've never tried this brand almond milk creamer. It's the Almond Breeze Vanilla, but we'll see how it is. The best one I've ever tried is the Silk almond milk creamer, but I think they're discontinuing it because I never see it anywhere. Oh, it's so annoying. Okay, then we also got a mixed berry, a strawberry, and a peach yogurt. These are so good. And yeah, I probably should have gotten just the big plain one without the added fruit, but oh well. I feel like those take up less space, I don't know. Then I got 3 frozen meals for the days when, like tonight, where I don't want to go to the cafe for dinner, I just want to get stuff done, or you know, for lunch. I love Amy's because they're organic and I just feel like it's healthier than lean cuisine. Maybe not, but I feel like it is. This is brown rice, black eyed peas and veggies. Again, very simple. This is an enchilada. Yummy. And then this is a kashi one. It's sweet potato quinoa bowl. So as you can see, I tried to get pretty healthy things. Obviously not perfect, but for the most part, like pretty healthy for what you can eat in a dorm. So yeah, that's my little grocery haul. I'm gonna put these away and hop in the shower. So guys, I'm FaceTiming Joshua while I work on a project. A cool project. Oh, I'm not flipped around. Sorry, you can't see me. Say hi.
Hi.
Do you have anything to say? Joshua's dog just had puppies, guys.
Oh yeah, my dog has puppies. They're half Karen, half toy poodle. I like to call them Karen Noodles. And yeah.
I've just been sitting here working, talking to him after my shower. Yeah, that's about it. Peace. Bye. Just kidding. So I blow dried my hair because can anyone else like not go to sleep with wet hair? I cannot. If I wake up, if I do, it like hurts my neck and my shoulders in my sleep because it's so long, and then it gets insane. I get the worst cowlicks, so I always have to blow dry my hair before I go to bed if I shower at night. Now I am going to do a full night routine coming up, so I'm not going to get too much into the products I use to wash my face, all of that kind of stuff. It is about 9 o'clock, which is right on schedule for me because around this time is when I get into bed and I watch half an hour to an hour of Netflix, or I watch half an hour, I'll read a book, and I try to be like closing my eyes around 10 o'clock to wake up in the morning at 6:40 is my routine that I'm getting my body in. And in case you're wondering, the book I'm currently reading is Uninvited. My brother got me this for Christmas. If you saw that video, I read just the first chapter last night, but a lot of people have raved about this book, so I'm very excited to read it. I reached a lot of goals today, which I'm so proud of. I worked out the first time since like December 27th, and I got to work on my special project for an hour, a little over an hour actually, like I wanted. Soon I will have drunk 80 ounces of water. So yeah, I hope you guys like this vlog of me just getting back into that routine. And I already know just by looking at my calendar from yesterday's and today's classes, I'm gonna have way more work this semester than I did last semester, which is expected. Like I expected as I would get farther in college it would get harder, but yeah. So I'm a little bummed about that, and just I don't know, I got a weird vibe from some of my classes, but I think that's just like first day stuff, so hopefully that'll go away. And yeah, I get ready for a full day tomorrow. Like It's just crazy how exhausted I am because I'm doing so much in a day now. Like over break I would do like 2 or 3 main things during the day, and now I'm like doing a million things, it seems like. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, let me know if you want to see more day in the lives, productivity vlogs, chillin' vlogs, whatever, and I will see you guys in 2 days with my next video. Bye, peace out.